Hello everyone, today we're going to study lessons 1, 2 and 3 of Unit 10 titled We Are What We Wear. So let's start with the new vocabulary. The first one, belt. It's a strap of leather or material that you wear to support clothes or for decoration. Casual. Casual clothes are not formal or not suitable for special occasions. We have the word cotton, material made from the cotton plant, used to make shirts, trousers, etc. Earring. It's a piece of jewelry, usually one of a pair, worn in or on ear. Gold, made of a very valuable yellow metal used to make coins and jewelry. Handbag, it's a small bag usually carried by women, used for money, keys, makeup, etc. Headscarf, material that women wear to cover their hair. Jewelry, objects that you wear on your clothes or body that are usually made from valuable stones or metals such as gold and silver. Leather, a material made from an animal, used to make shoes, bags, clothes, etc. Linen, it's a strong material made from part of the flax plant. Metal, it's a hard, strong material often used to make bridges, the inside of buildings, etc. Necklace, it's a piece of jewelry worn around the neck. Robe, it's a long, loose piece of clothing. Sandals, open shoes that you usually wear in warm weather. Scarf, it's a long piece of material that you wear around the neck or shoulders. Size, how big or small something is. Smart, looking clean and tidy. Sunglasses, dark glasses that you wear to protect your eyes from the sun. Trainers, light, comfortable shoes that people usually wear for sport. Wool, the soft, thick material that comes from the hair of sheep and some other animals. So now let's read this text here. Clothes in ancient Egypt. So in ancient Egypt, men and women wore similar clothes. They both wore loose, white linen clothes with a belt. Most of the time, ancient Egyptians did not wear shoes, but people sometimes wore expensive leather sandals. Children did not usually wear many clothes until they were about 6 years old. Then they started to wear the same clothes as their parents. Although ancient Egyptians' clothes were simple, they loved to wear heavy metal jewelry. Like some people today, they like to wear beautiful gold necklaces and other jewelry. Important notes. So we have these plural words here: sandals, sunglasses, trainers, shoes, etc. So these nouns are always in the plural form, and plural verbs go with them, like these examples here. My sunglasses are black. Adults' trainers are made of leather. We can use a pair of to quantify with a singular verb like this. My mom bought me a pair of sandals. A pair of shoes is not enough for me for training. The second one, the difference between loose and loose. So the first word, loose, not tied together, not held in possession or contained in anything. For example, loose hair. The second one, lose, to be unable to find something or someone. For example, I usually lose money. Okay, we have the word as with its different meanings. So the first meaning as because. For example, he was absent as he was ill. The second one as equals while, like this one here. As Basim was checking his email, he received a message from Jack. As plus job. He works as a doctor. Look at this here, the last one, as plus adjective plus as. Like this, Ashraf is as clever as Omar. We have the difference between dress and address. So dress as a verb is to put clothes on yourself or somebody. For example, I always dress in different colors. We have dress as a noun. It's a piece of women's clothing that's made in one piece and covers the body down to the legs. For example, Rahma is wearing a dress made of silk. We have a dress. It's details about or of where somebody lives or works and where letters can be sent. For example, I don't know where you live equals I don't know your address. Material, cloth. So we can use material to mean cloth like this. There is enough material to make a dress. We have material like substance. Paper, wood, and metal are materials. We have adjective order. So sometimes we can or we want to describe one thing with a number of adjectives. So which adjective should be put first? So here we can know about this. So we often use more than one adjective in this order. We don't use more than 3 or 4 adjectives. So let's start with this. Use more than one adjective in this order. Do not use more than 3 or 4 adjectives. So we start with the size, like big, then the description. So your opinion about this thing. Pretty. We have shape, long, age, old, new, modern, color, like green, material, like cotton, then the noun we are describing. For example, rich Egyptians wore beautiful gold necklaces. She likes loose white linen clothes. He wore a green cotton shirt. So now let's read this text here. What do you wear? So let's read these. Okay, so the first one, Noha. So I bought this shirt from a shop in Cairo, but I'm trying to buy fewer clothes. Clothes factories cause a lot of pollution, so they are bad for the environment. So sometimes I borrow my sister's clothes. She borrows Mine too, because we are the same size. Amen. These trainers were my dad's. He never wore them, so I asked if I could have them. I like doing sport, and these trainers are much better than the ones I used to wear. I usually wear sports clothes because they are comfortable. Dalida. This is my school uniform. I have to wear it every school day. That beautiful dress is the one my grandmother made for me. Okay, or made me for my cousin's wedding. She's amazing at sewing. She always makes us clothes for special occasions. Remember, use this plus singular noun or these plus plural noun to talk about things near us. Like this. This shirt is from a little shop in Cairo. These were my dad's. Use that followed by singular noun or those followed by plural noun to talk about things not near us. That beautiful dress is mine. Those skirts are my sister's. Use one or ones to replace repeated nouns in a sentence like this. That beautiful dress is the one my grandmother made me. These trainers are much better than the ones I had before. So now let's do this exercise on vocabulary. The first one, he looks with these nice clothes. So the answer is, he looks smart. Number 2. Some animals have skin like zebras. So the answer is striped. Number 3. They would like to wear clothes to keep cool in summer. So the answer is loose. Number 4. The shop assistant asked me about my shoes size. Number 5. I like wearing clothes such as t-shirts and trainers. So the answer is casual. Number 6. The of most African countries is very hot. So the answer is the climate. Number 7. I like to be and feel relaxed in my clothes. So I like to be comfortable. Number 8. These traditional clothes keep me cool and me from the sun. So protect me from the sun. Number 9. Mr. and Mrs. Osman live in a big old in Aswan. So it's flat. Number 10. Boats or boots are usually made of. So the answer is leather. Okay, let's do this exercise on grammar. So the first one here, she is wearing scarf. So the answer is she is wearing nice long blue scarf. Number 2. I like this t-shirt. So the answer is I like this smart red cotton t-shirt. Number 3. Rich people sometimes wore sandals. So the answer is expensive leather sandals. Number 4. Huda's father has bought a car. So the answer is new red electric car. Number 5. It's a long snake. So the answer is it's a long striped plastic snake. Number 6. I want to buy this. So this beautiful white shirt. Number 7. Why do you like wearing this jumper? So why do you like wearing this ugly old wool jumper? Number 8. My friend lost his sunglasses. So my friend lost his expensive plastic sunglasses. Number 9. Mr. Nabil has shoes. So the answer is Mr. Nabil has strange old brown shoes. Number 10. What a nice long cotton scarf. Let's do this exercise here. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the words in brackets. So the first one here, they are glasses. So it's going to be they are expensive black plastic glasses. Number 2, it's jumper. So the answer is it's nice purple wool jumper. Number 3, Mr. and Mrs. Osman live in a flat. So the answer is big, cold, traditional flat. Number 4, it's skirt. So the answer is it's beautiful blue wool skirt. Number 5, it's a skirt. So it's simple, it's pink cotton skirt. Number 6, they are earrings. So beautiful gold earrings. Number 7, it's a bag. So the answer is it's a round red leather bag. Number 8, he is and to speak French. So he is an ugly old tool to speak French. So that's it for today. I hope you understand this lesson. Goodbye.